If you're someone who enjoys the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the satisfaction of rich flavors, and the convenience of brewing your favorite beverage at home, this Ovente French Press coffee maker is designed with you in mind. This beautifully crafted French press doesn't just deliver on looks, it also ensures that each cup of coffee or tea is infused with full-bodied, rich flavors. Let's explore what makes this French press a must-have for any coffee enthusiast. Imagine being able to create a café-quality coffee right in your home. With the Ovente French Press coffee maker, that dream becomes a reality. This coffee maker extracts every bit of flavor from your coffee beans, delivering a cup that's rich in essential oils and bold flavors, qualities often lost in traditional coffee makers with paper filters. The 4-level stainless steel filter system allows for a thorough extraction process, ensuring that every cup is as smooth and flavorful as possible. No more dull, flat coffee, only the deep, complex flavors true coffee lovers crave. The Ovente French Press coffee maker isn't just functional, it's also built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its durable borosilicate glass carafe can handle high temperatures without breaking a sweat. Additionally, the protective stainless steel shell keeps the carafe safe from accidental bumps and cracks, giving you peace of mind whether you're brewing coffee at home, in the office, or while traveling. One standout feature is the carafe's sleek, stylish design, available in 6 premium styles: classy café, stylish horizontal stripes, elegant leaf curve, bronzed fleurs, dashing diagonal, and sophisticated square. The French press can complement any kitchen or office space. It's not just a tool, it's a statement piece for your countertop. What sets the Ovente French Press apart from the competition is its sheer versatility. Sure, it's perfect for brewing the most flavorful cups of coffee, but its utility doesn't stop there. This press is also ideal for making loose-leaf tea, espresso, cold brew, herbal infusions, and even creative concoctions like sangrias or cocktails. Whether you want to brew your morning coffee or experiment with refreshing beverages in the afternoon, this tool can handle it all. You can even use it for more unconventional tasks. Need to wash grains like quinoa or strain vegetables? The Ovente French Press can do that too. Its versatility makes it a handy kitchen companion for a variety of tasks beyond just brewing coffee or tea. The Ovente French Press was designed with simplicity in mind. Whether you're an experienced barista or a beginner, you'll find the process of brewing with this French press easy and intuitive. The stainless steel filter system ensures smooth pouring, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making every pour effortless. Cleaning is also a breeze. The parts are easy to disassemble, and the carafe is dishwasher safe. That means less time spent scrubbing and more time enjoying your freshly brewed coffee. Its compact size also makes it ideal for travel or office use, allowing you to enjoy your favorite brew no matter where you are. For those looking for a cost-effective way to enjoy high-quality coffee at home, the Ovente French Press coffee maker offers tremendous value. It combines durability, versatility, and style, all at an affordable price point. Additionally, each purchase is backed by Ovente's 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected. It's not just the design and functionality that make the Ovente French Press stand out. It's the thousands of satisfied customers who swear by it. With over 11,500 plus positive reviews, this coffee press has earned a reputation as one of the best on the market. Many customers have praised its ability to brew the most flavorful cups of coffee, its durability, and how easy it is to use and clean. This French press has become a go-to gift for coffee lovers, college students, and busy professionals. If you're searching for a thoughtful present for the coffee aficionado in your life, the Ovente French Press paired with some gourmet coffee beans or a manual coffee grinder makes for a perfect gift. Why wait? Start brewing like a pro today. Whether you're a seasoned coffee drinker or just starting your journey into the world of gourmet brewing, the Ovente French Press coffee maker is a game changer. It combines elegant design with practical functionality, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Why settle for lackluster coffee when you can enjoy barista-level quality at home? Experience the rich flavors and unmatched versatility of the Ovente French Press coffee maker today. Don't miss out. Order now and transform the way you brew coffee forever. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.